Imagine a tiny, unassuming fruit, often overlooked, that holds within its vibrant green flesh a powerhouse of ancient wisdom and modern science, capable of transforming your health from your hair to your heart. We are about to embark on a captivating exploration of the incredible Indian gooseberry, scientifically known as Phyllanthus emblica or amla, a true superfood revered in Ayurvedic medicine for millennia, and increasingly validated by contemporary scientific research. This isn't about fleeting health fads. It's about uncovering the deep, multifaceted benefits of a single, potent fruit that can significantly enhance your immunity, revitalize your skin and hair, optimize your digestion, regulate your blood sugar, and even support your cardiovascular well-being. By the end of this illuminating journey, you will gain invaluable, actionable insights into how this humble berry can be seamlessly integrated into your daily life, empowering you to unlock a remarkable sense of vitality, resilience, and holistic health that truly compels you to embrace its profound potential. Prepare to discover how this ancient remedy holds surprisingly relevant solutions for many modern health challenges, promising a renewed sense of well-being that extends far beyond the surface. The Indian gooseberry, or amla, is not merely a fruit. It is a botanical marvel, a cornerstone of traditional Ayurvedic medicine, where it has been celebrated for thousands of years as a rasayana, a powerful rejuvenating and anti-aging herb. This isn't just folklore. Cutting-edge scientific investigations are consistently substantiating nearly all of amla's acclaimed properties, revealing its profound impact on human health. At the heart of amla's immense power lies its unparalleled nutritional profile, particularly its extraordinary concentration of vitamin C. To put it into perspective, amla contains approximately 20 times more vitamin C than an orange, making it one of the richest natural sources of this essential nutrient on the planet. But the story of amla extends far beyond vitamin C. It is a complex symphony of bioactive compounds, including potent antioxidants like polyphenols, flavonoids, tannins, gallic acid, and ellagic acid, along with a rich array of minerals, amino acids, and fibers. These compounds work synergistically, creating a holistic therapeutic effect that targets multiple systems within the body, offering a comprehensive approach to health. The modern world, with its pervasive environmental toxins, chronic stress, and processed diets, places immense strain on our bodies, leading to increased oxidative stress, inflammation, and a weakened immune system. This is where amla steps in as a powerful ally. It doesn't just address symptoms, it works at a fundamental cellular level, protecting cells from damage, modulating immune responses, and supporting detoxification pathways. The profound twist here is that a single, readily available fruit can offer such a broad spectrum of benefits, acting as a natural shield against the onslaught of modern life. The payoff for our viewers is not just information, but a clear pathway to harnessing this ancient wisdom, validated by contemporary science, to cultivate resilience, enhance vitality, and achieve a state of robust well-being that truly empowers them in their health journey. Let's delve into the scientific mechanisms and remarkable benefits of the Indian gooseberry, revealing how this potent fruit can truly change your life. 1. The antioxidant powerhouse. Battling oxidative stress. Amla's most celebrated property is its exceptional antioxidant capacity. Antioxidants are crucial for neutralizing free radicals, unstable molecules that cause oxidative stress, leading to cellular damage, premature aging, and the development of chronic diseases like cancer, heart disease, and neurodegenerative disorders. Amla's high content of vitamin C, along with its unique blend of polyphenols and tannins, makes it a formidable scavenger of these harmful free radicals. The science. The ascorbic acid, vitamin C, in amla, combined with its high tannin content, especially emblicon A and B, creates a potent and stable antioxidant complex. Studies show that amla extracts can significantly reduce lipid peroxidation and enhance the activity of endogenous antioxidant enzymes like superoxide dismutase, SOD, and catalase in the body, providing comprehensive protection against oxidative damage. It's not just about adding external antioxidants, it's about boosting your body's own defense mechanisms. The payoff: reduced cellular damage, protection against premature aging, and a lower risk of chronic inflammatory diseases. This translates to more vibrant skin, better cellular function, and a stronger internal defense system. 2. Immune system fortification. Your natural shield. Given its extraordinary vitamin C content, it's no surprise that amla is a superstar for immune health. Vitamin C is indispensable for the proper functioning of various immune cells, including white blood cells, which are the body's primary defense against pathogens. Amla's immunomodulatory properties extend beyond vitamin C, however. Its other bioactive compounds also play a role in enhancing immune responses. The science. Vitamin C stimulates the production and function of lymphocytes and phagocytes, immune cells that engulf and destroy foreign invaders. It also helps in the production of antibodies. Amla's anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties further contribute to its immune-boosting effects, helping the body fight off infections more effectively. The payoff. A stronger, more resilient immune system, leading to fewer colds, flu, and infections, and faster recovery times when illness does strike. Imagine going through cold and flu season with a fortified internal army. 3. Digestive harmony. Soothing your gut. Amla is a revered digestive tonic in Ayurveda, known for its ability to balance all three doshas and promote healthy digestion. It supports gut function in multiple ways, from regulating bowel movements to soothing digestive discomfort. The science. Amla is rich in dietary fiber, both soluble and insoluble. This fiber adds bulk to stool, facilitating regular bowel movements and preventing constipation. Its astringent properties can help tighten the gut lining, while its anti-inflammatory compounds can soothe irritation and reduce acidity. Research also suggests amla can inhibit the growth of harmful bacteria like Helicobacter pylori, which are implicated in stomach ulcers. The payoff. Improved regularity, reduced bloating and gas, alleviation of acidity and heartburn, and overall healthier gut function. This provides direct relief from common digestive woes and supports the foundation of overall health. 4. Hair health rejuvenation. From root to tip for centuries, amla has been a secret weapon in traditional hair care rituals, and for good reason. Its rich nutrient profile directly supports robust hair growth, prevents premature graying, and enhances overall hair quality. The science. Amla's high vitamin C content is crucial for collagen production, a protein essential for strong hair follicles. Its antioxidants protect hair follicles from damage caused by free radicals, which can lead to hair loss and thinning. Amla also contains essential fatty acids, like omega-3 and omega-6, which nourish the scalp and prevent dryness and flakiness. The presence of tannins helps tighten hair cuticles, leading to smoother, shinier, and more manageable hair. A subtle twist here is that by improving blood circulation to the scalp, amla also ensures better nutrient delivery to hair follicles. The payoff. Reduced hair fall, stimulated hair growth, prevention of premature graying, relief from dandruff and scalp irritation, and naturally lustrous, strong, and healthy hair. This is about nurturing your hair from within. 5. Radiant skin benefits. The glow from within. Amla's antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and collagen-boosting properties make it a powerful ally for skin health, helping to achieve a natural, youthful glow. The science. Vitamin C is vital for collagen synthesis, the protein that provides skin with its structure, elasticity, and firmness. Amla's antioxidants combat free radical damage, which is a major contributor to wrinkles, fine lines, and age spots. Its astringent properties can help tighten pores and reduce oiliness, while its anti-inflammatory effects can calm skin irritation and reduce acne breakouts. The payoff. Improved skin elasticity, reduced signs of aging, clearer complexion, and a radiant, healthy glow. It's like an internal skincare regimen, working from the inside out. 6. Eye health enhancement. Sharper vision. Amla has long been used in traditional medicine to support vision and protect eye health. Its rich content of vitamin C, carotenoids, and other antioxidants makes it a beneficial nutrient for the eyes. The science. Antioxidants in amla protect eye tissues from oxidative stress, which can contribute to age-related macular degeneration, AMD, and cataracts. Vitamin C is particularly important for strengthening eye tissues and reducing the risk of conditions like night blindness. Amla's anti-inflammatory properties can also help soothe eye irritation and reduce strain. The payoff. Improved vision clarity, reduced eye strain and fatigue, especially from digital screens, and protection against age-related eye conditions. 7. Blood sugar regulation. A natural stabilizer for those concerned about blood sugar levels, Amla offers promising benefits, particularly for improving insulin sensitivity. The science. Amla's unique blend of polyphenols and fiber can help slow down the digestion and absorption of carbohydrates, preventing sharp spikes in blood sugar after meals. It is also thought to improve insulin sensitivity, meaning your cells respond more effectively to insulin, allowing glucose to be efficiently absorbed from the bloodstream. Some studies suggest it may stimulate pancreatic beta cells, which produce insulin. The payoff. More stable blood sugar levels, reduced cravings, and support for overall metabolic health. This is a significant benefit for managing diabetes or pre-diabetes, though always consult a doctor for medical conditions. 8. Cardiovascular well-being. A heartfelt protector. Amla's multifaceted properties contribute significantly to heart health, making it a valuable addition to a heart-healthy diet. The science. Amla has demonstrated abilities to lower LDL, bad cholesterol and triglyceride levels, while potentially increasing HDL, good cholesterol. Its powerful antioxidants prevent the oxidation of LDL cholesterol, a key step in the formation of arterial plaque. Furthermore, its anti-inflammatory properties reduce inflammation in blood vessels, and its ability to relax blood vessels can help regulate blood pressure. The payoff. Reduced risk factors for heart disease, improved cholesterol profiles, better blood pressure regulation, and enhanced overall cardiovascular function. This is a proactive step towards a healthier heart. 9. Anti-inflammatory effects. Calming the fire within. Chronic inflammation is a silent driver of many modern diseases. Amla's potent anti-inflammatory compounds can help quell this internal fire. The science. Amla contains bioactive compounds that can modulate inflammatory pathways in the body, helping to reduce the production of pro-inflammatory cytokines. This systemic anti-inflammatory effect is crucial for protecting organs and reducing the risk of chronic inflammatory conditions. The payoff. Reduced systemic inflammation, which can alleviate symptoms of various inflammatory conditions and contribute to overall disease prevention. 10. Adaptogenic qualities. Stress resilience. In Ayurvedic philosophy, Amla is considered an adaptogen, meaning it helps the body adapt to and cope with physical and psychological stress. While research in this area is still emerging, its stress-reducing effects are often reported. The science. While the exact mechanisms are complex, Amla's antioxidant properties help reduce oxidative stress caused by chronic psychological stress. Its ability to improve sleep and mood, through its influence on neurotransmitters, also contributes to its adaptogenic profile, allowing the body to maintain balance amidst stressors. The payoff. Enhanced resilience to stress, improved mood stability, and a greater sense of calm and well-being. This subtle, yet profound benefit helps you navigate the demands of daily life with more ease. Integrating Amla into your life. Practical applications. The versatility of Amla makes it easy to incorporate into your daily routine. Fresh fruit. If available, eating fresh Amla is ideal. Be prepared for its distinct sour and astringent taste, followed by a surprisingly sweet aftertaste. A small piece in the morning can be a powerful kickstart. Amla juice. One of the most popular ways to consume Amla. You can make fresh juice by blending the fruit with water and straining, or purchase reputable ready-made Amla juice. Ensure it's unsweetened and pure. A common recommendation is 20-30 milliliters mixed with water on an empty stomach in the morning. Amla powder. Churna, dried Amla fruit is ground into a fine powder. This is incredibly versatile. Mix 1 teaspoon with warm water and honey, if desired, and drink daily. Add to smoothies, yogurts, or oatmeal. Use in traditional Indian cooking. Amla candies or Amla maraba. Preserve. While tasty, these often contain added sugar, so consume in moderation if you're mindful of sugar intake. Amla supplements. Available in capsules or tablets for convenience. Always choose a reputable brand that provides standardized extracts for consistent potency. Topical use. Amla oil is widely used for hair care, massaged into the scalp to nourish follicles and prevent premature graying. Amla paste can also be used as a face mask for skin benefits. Important considerations and who should be cautious. The wise twist. While Amla is generally safe and beneficial for most people, there are a few considerations. Acidity. Due to its high vitamin C content, some individuals might experience mild acidity or stomach discomfort, especially if consumed on an empty stomach in large quantities. Start with a smaller dose and adjust. Blood sugar. As amla can lower blood sugar levels, individuals with diabetes who are on medication should monitor their blood sugar closely and consult their doctor to avoid hypoglycemia, excessively low blood sugar. Blood thinners. Amla might have mild antiplatelet effects, meaning it could potentially slow blood clotting. If you are on blood-thinning medications, anticoagulants, consult your doctor before consuming amla, especially in supplemental forms, to avoid increased risk of bleeding. Pregnancy and breastfeeding. There isn't enough extensive research on amla's safety during pregnancy and breastfeeding. It's best to consult a healthcare provider before use. Quality matters. When purchasing amla products, especially powders or juices, ensure they are from a reputable source, ideally organic, and free from added sugars, artificial colors, or preservatives. The Indian gooseberry, a small fruit with an enormous legacy, offers a profound pathway to holistic well-being. Its scientifically validated benefits, ranging from boosting immunity and enhancing digestion to revitalizing hair and skin and protecting cardiovascular health, make it a true gift from nature. It's a testament to the power of ancient wisdom, now increasingly illuminated by modern scientific understanding. The twist is realizing that the answers to many of our modern health challenges might lie not in complex pharmaceuticals, but in the potent, natural remedies that have sustained human health for millennia. The payoff is a sense of empowerment, knowing that you have a powerful, natural tool to nurture your body and achieve vibrant health. Embrace the remarkable benefits of the Indian gooseberry and allow this ancient superfood to become a cornerstone of your modern health journey. Take this step towards holistic well-being and unlock a more resilient, energized, and vibrant you. Nourish your body with the wisdom of nature, and witness the transformative power of a fruit that promises not just health, but a journey towards your most vibrant self, truly from within.